Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Fabfitfun Spring 2022 add-ons from the add-on sale and my mystery bundle from the add-on sale. So let's get into it and see what I picked. I did so many, I shouldn't say that with a smiling face. I did so many additional selections in my boxes because I have 2 annual boxes that I really tried to rein it in, and I think I did a pretty good job reining it in the add-ons. I haven't looked at my mystery bundle. I've got it down there on the floor. I had to glance it to tell it apart from the mystery bundle that actually comes in my box as a refill, but other than that, don't really know what's in it. So let me show you really quickly what I did as add-ons in the add-on sale. For starters, I got the R&Co Dallas Biotin Thickening Shampoo. Just the shampoo, because this is for my mom. And she has really short hair and doesn't use conditioners that often. And kind of like me, we could all use a little thickener. So she thought she would like to try that. Since it's sealed, I'm not going to unseal it. That way I can be sure and take it over to her without having it leak everywhere. But this was one of the things that I chose. I will try and let you guys know here what I paid at least. I will try and also let you know what it's worth, but I'll give you what information I can here. In that same vein, for myself, I got a Philip Kingsley set, and it is the Moisture Balancing Combination Shampoo and Combination Conditioner. I don't remember what the combination stands for, but I remember I saw it and I thought, yeah, that's definitely me. Also, if you are new to Fabfitfun, I will link up here in a card and then at the end my Fabfitfun box for spring, where I kind of give you more information, but it is a lifestyle box that comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. It is $54.99 if you sign up seasonally. If you pay annually, so for a year in advance, it brings it down to $49.99. With each box, you can do additional selections in your customizations, and then they do add-ons, which is a sale that they do each time seasonal boxes are available. They also do edit sales, which are in between the seasonal boxes. They do tons of sales now, and I am here to tell you, the sales almost make it worth joining. What I saved on everything that I just bought in add-ons probably equals to the value of what my box cost. It says this is a moisture balancing shampoo. It cleanses while concentrating hydration where it's needed the most. Throughout your hair's mid-lengths and ends, their moisture regulating formula leaves your hair smooth, shiny, and manageable. Now, here's the thing. Also, what is up with this top? That's kind of cool looking. How's it come off? Oh, you just snap it back and then it looks like that. What matters the most to me is what a shampoo smells like. If it doesn't smell good, it doesn't... I was going to say if it doesn't smell good, it doesn't matter what it does for my hair, but it's not true. I have so much breakage these days that even if something didn't smell great, I would probably do it if it fixed my breakage. Oh, it smells very nice. Fresh. Very cleansing. Something about it has a real cleansing smell to it. I will happily use that on my hair. Next, I did the Hand Defense Hand Wash Infused Buffer by Spongel. I know what you guys are saying, but Kathrin, you don't love Spongel. It's because it's so rough on my body, but you know what my hands need? To be roughed up. So I thought this would be perfect. It's revived with thyme and tea tree oils, and it says it's 40 hand washes. It's just a regular circular block Spongel. Oh, I can smell it through the, wow. I can smell it through the plastic, which is sealed very well. It smells very cleansing, but it doesn't smell like tea tree, so that's kind of nice. Our specially engineered patented hand wash infused buffer is more effective in removing germs and dirt than soap alone. Spongel's Hand Defense Buffer is dual-sided for deeper cleansing action. Ooh, this side is really hard. This one is spongier. I wonder if this, can you see how it's kind of yellowed? I wonder if that means that, you know, most of the soap is on that side. This one is squishy. See how I can sink my fingers down into it? This one is not, it's just like a board. Use the rough side to scrub and the soft side to buff. Your hands will feel soft, smooth, and extra clean. Well, I'm gonna give this a try. If you have used these before, let me know what you thought. Well, I was gonna say one more thing, but technically it's 3 things. I asked you guys when I was doing my add-on scroll through what you thought about mixing colors. I got the original Mantra Band cuff that they offered in the box. I've already shown that with my box. But in add-ons for $12, you could add different bands, but they were gold and rose gold. And I was like, what do you guys think about mixing metals? And everybody was like, go for it. So I went for it. So I got 2 in yellow gold and 1 in rose gold. And in all of this lighting, it's very difficult to even tell the difference. But the first one that I got in yellow gold says, live what you love. So it's just a yellow gold one. Actually, it fits me a little bit better. The one that came in the box was even a little bit bigger than this. I just continued to add on to my bundle. They're big bangles. If you have a small hand, I probably wouldn't recommend these now that I've tried this one on, because look how far down my hand that is, and it's trying to each off. I mean, granted, I'm gonna squeeze them. I'm hesitant because I'm always afraid with like costume jewelry, if you squeeze it, it'll crack like whatever they've put on the overlay of it, but I'm gonna have to go for it. This one says, enjoy the journey. So that's really cool. I like the idea of a mantra. And this one is the rose gold one, and it says, anything is possible. That one actually fits a little better. That one is a little bit smaller. So these 3 bottom bracelets that I have on are the 3, you know what? Let me take the other ones off. Okay, that's better because now they can jingle around. That's what they look like. And in theory, I'm gonna have my silver one that I have over there and I could go get, but you guys can visualize it. I'll have my silver one in here too. So I don't know if you can tell, this is the rose gold one and these are the 2 regular gold ones. And then there'll be a silver one in there. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to squeeze them because even partially down my arm, see how I'm afraid they could right off. I like them. I bought them kind of to do with the videos, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that because I think I'm gonna clink nonstop, which is what I liked about this other stack that I've been wearing. But these are so pretty. I just thought with the other, it would just make a really nice stack and a pretty look. That is all I did for my add-ons except for my mystery bundle. So I kept it pretty small. I did the bracelets, the hand wash, the shampoo, I was gonna say perfume, the shampoo for my mom, and the shampoo set for myself. So let's dig into that mystery bundle, because the one thing that I could see, I thought was pretty darn awesome to get in a mystery bundle. It's heavy. Can you guys see? Did you see that? So if you are unaware, in each season, whether it's a add-on sale or an edit sale, in their sale, they almost always have a mystery bundle. It's $29. They say you're gonna get at least $100 worth of value, but you have no idea what you're gonna get. And the first couple that I did when I started doing Fabfitfun years ago were so bad. I had a couple of real duds. I haven't had one that I would deem bad in, I would say, the last couple of years. I haven't had one that I've been like, well, that's the worst. There's always something redeeming in it for me. So I feel like I've been super lucky lately. But this one, when I saw this, I was like, that is awesome. This is the Phantom Chef 8-inch fry pan. And I think it's gonna be in pink. So let's check it out. I have the blue one. I used it today to make myself an egg before I came up here. I have had really good luck with it. I know a couple of people talked about it losing some of its paint around the edge. I haven't had that yet, but I don't dishwasher mine. I do all of my dishes by hand, so I don't know if that has something to do with it. But I got my first one of these. Actually, I think it was in an Alltrue box, and it was a 2-quart pot. And I use that all of the time too. So now I have 3 of these. They're all different colors, so it's very vivid in my kitchen now, but that is the pink one. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. And they do the faux wood handles, and they're kind of a silicone feel. That is what that looks like. Like I said, I do all of my cleaning by hand, so mine have worn like iron. I mean, my handles still look new. I have no scratching around the edges of my pan. This is amazing in a mystery bundle. Oh my gosh. And by the way, they are non-stick and PFOA and PTFE free. Next out, I have no idea what this is. Do you yet? Buy the change you want to see. Not be the change, buy the change. To the market. Maybe a bag of some sort? That is what it looks like. It has a real kind of 70s vibe to it. Let's see what it is. Could be an apron, could be a bag, I have no idea. Oh, apron. This is really pretty. That is what it looks like. It has, that's just one big pocket. It's very thick canvasy feel. It has ties here, and then the neck piece at the top. Does that shorten? Nope, it's just connected. I kind of like the 70s vintage vibe of this. That's pretty stinking cool. This, What a nice theme. So far a pan and an apron. I love a kitchen theme. I'm intrigued by the to the market, buy the change you want to see. We believe in the dignity of work empowerment through employment. We connect makers around the globe to people like you. We are on a mission to create products that empower people and protect the planet. This was ethically made and sustainably sourced. It doesn't tell us where it was made, but the company is out of Atlanta. Next out, I have a Namaste Skin Turmeric Daily Herbal Facial Cleanser. And that is what that looks like. So turmeric. So I know it's a face cleanser, but on a tenuous thread, a pan, an apron, something with turmeric in it. I like how they were thinking. A light herbal antioxidant and antiseptic cleanser with turmeric, aloe vera, chamomile, and fruit extracts to purify and rejuvenate your skin. It has licorice root in it, so I'm not even going to take it out of here in case I want to send it somewhere. It has a lot of fruits in it though. I mean, it has the turmeric, by the way, is the very last ingredient. It has blueberry and cranberry and kiwi, safflower, just all kinds of goodies in it. So that is very nice if you don't have a licorice problem. And last out, we have, it's bread. It's a hair mask, but it's bread, turmeric, a pan, an apron. I like how whoever came up with this mystery bundle was thinking. I think that is so fun. This, by the way, it's huge. It's, how many ounces is it? 12 fluid ounces. Oh my gosh, hair care basics for not so basic hair. Cushions hair on a cloud-like softness. It says it is a creamy deep conditioner for all hair types with Australian kakadu plum and starflower oil. It is silicone free. Hair mask is a velvety, lightweight but powerful emulsion for soft moisturized curls. Infused with Australian kakadu plum, this light to touch silicone free cream mask will help leave your curls buttery soft and easy to detangle without weighing them down. Easy, simple, smells good, like bread. Okay, well, I think we're all pretty clear. This product was not made for me. See these curls? I am telling you, and this is 0% exaggeration. When I was getting ready to come up and make these videos about an hour and a half ago, I look like Shirley Temple. Yeah. I have a beach waver and I had just curls. My hair is so straight and so resistant to even curls that I put in it, and no curls. But I have somebody who I love in this world very, very much, who has beautiful curly hair, and I will pass this on to her. All right, so that is my mystery bundle. I think that was a pretty darn good mystery bundle. I mean, the pan alone, it's got to pay for the cost of the mystery bundle. The apron, very pretty. The 2 cosmetic products, it's very good. Oh, I never remember to do this, and I remembered. I'm so proud. My mystery bundle number was 2201 Miss 002. So I don't think that that means that if you look at what has been shipped to you and you see that as your number, I don't think it means you're getting that bundle. I think what it means is that we have something in common. I don't think it means we have all of the exact same things, but something. I don't know which thing. Although I will tell you, this is so wonderfully themed that it's hard to see why they would break it up. So that was my mystery bundle. And then, like I said, I had the shampoo and conditioner for me, the shampoo for my mom, the hand buffer, and the mantra bracelets. Let me know what you picked up from Add-ons, and if you got a mystery bundle, what was in your mystery bundle? I can't wait to see what everybody got. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.